Are you looking for a drink that is healthy, delicious, sweet, without no sugar added, refreshing, and has that festive vibe to it? Then this hibiscus flower drink is for you. Welcome to the social side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka, and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing you want to do is to get your hibiscus flower. So I prefer this one that is shredded, that the flower is shredded. The flower is not full because it cooks very fast. So the next thing you want to do is to wash this thoroughly. This is super dirty. It is filled with a lot of sand, so you want to wash it like 5 to 6 times. Don't be scared when you see that the color is coming off. This has a lot of color, so just wash it thoroughly. Ensure that the water, when you check the bottom of your water, ensure that it is clean, so you know that you have washed this very well. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. It's good to have you, and welcome to the Vlogmas. This is the festive season, and all that I'm creating this period is to get you into the festivity. I love Christmas so much. I love everything about Christmas, and very important, the reason of which we're celebrating Christmas should not be forgotten. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new videos. So for the 1st of December, I've started posting my Vlogmas, so you've missed some, so you can go back and watch some of the videos that I have posted. You can as well check my other previous video. You can make them during this festive season, and they'll be filled with so much yumminess. So I've properly washed the hibiscus flower, and then into it I put some pineapple peel, I put some orange slices, some grape slices, and then to make it festive, I put some cinnamon stick, some clove, and ginger. I'm going to let this cook for 30 minutes. So I added water to it. You don't want to go overboard with the water, just enough water that will just cover a bit of this, and let it cook for 30 minutes. So after boiling for 30 minutes, just want to allow this to rest first, and then you strain this out using your straining cloth to just get only the juice or the drink of your hibiscus flower. So the next thing you want to do is to get ready your ordered juice. So you need some orange juice, you need some pineapple juice, you need some watermelon juice, you need some lemon juice, just a dash of it, and then for the sweetener I use some dates. So let me just explain some of this because I didn't show it, but I have my other previous video where I showed how to go about, especially the dates, but this is very simple. With this explanation you can just do this. So for the dates, what I did, I just washed my date and I cooked this until the date is soft, and then I remove the seed from the date. I place it into my blender, I blend it until smooth, and I use the straining cloths. I strained out all of the juice of the date, so that's what is going to serve as my sweetener. And then for my pineapple juice, I just use my blender because I don't have a juice extractor. So if you don't have a juice extractor, you can make the best pineapple juice. Just get your blender, blend your pineapple, and just use your straining cloth and take out only the juice, just to strain out only the juice, and there you go. You have your fresh pineapple. You squeeze out your orange juice, you squeeze out your lemon juice, just a dash of lemon just to give it that taste. And also for the watermelon, you blend your watermelon, use your straining cloth, just strain out only the juice, and then add this up together. This is so delicious, very healthy, so sweet. So if you have a sweet tooth and you are just concerned that it doesn't have sugar, I tell you, this is so yummy. Just use a lot of dates and it is good to go. You won't even know that you're missing anything out from this. I also make use of some tangerine juice. Just blend it too, or you extract the juice, and then that is it here. You mix everything together and serve it so chilled. Oh my goodness, This is so yummy. This is so festive. This is so healthy. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to hit on the like button, comment below, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop all the amazing, delicious, festive video this season. To enjoy the season filled with love and spread love around the world. Catch you later. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.